Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. Adel Hanbali with you, student of the Florida National University, and welcome to this week's video. This week's video is dedicated to assignment number 5 of the MBA course, Accounting for Decision Making, and it is about measuring and managing process performances. The company I chose to analyze for this course is Dentsply Sirona, which is the world's largest manufacturer of dental equipments and products. Measuring and managing process performances. What can be the first term that comes to our mind when we want to measure how good are we performing? Are we performing good enough? It will surely involve quality. And in fact, quality will be the central focus in my presentation. Now, in today's increasing competition in almost all industries, every company or every industry member will strive to differentiate itself to be able to better compete. And for this, they work on developing their strengths to have competitive advantages, and quality can represent one of the strongest competitive advantage that any company can have. Now, quality does not only revolve around having high quality products, but everything related to the business can be performed in high quality standards, from manufacturing to delivery to service and support. Everything can be performed in high quality. Really, the term of quality is a broad term. And so every company can claim that it is actually performing all its processes in high quality, whereas another company will say, no, this would be the best method to perform process X, let's say. So how can we know what is the best process or the best practice for a certain process? Here comes exactly the job of benchmarking, which is knowing what is the best practice for a certain process. In any way, benchmarking is not my focus on this presentation. So going back to quality, there is what was initiated, the ISO certificate, the ISO 9000 certificate series, which clears out the procedures and processes that will ensure a production of highest quality of goods and services. Now, Dentsply Sirona is surely an ISO 9000 certified company. Its last issue of ISO certification was in October 2017, and it is valid to 2020. And in the ISO certificate of Dentsply Sirona, the certificate states that Dentsply Sirona has established and is maintaining a quality management system which meets the requirement of all the listed standards. The listed standards including all its processes and all its products. Now, in the annual report of Dentsply Sirona shows how it is really committed to providing quality. And aside from the brand name, the leading research and development budget, and its focus on customer satisfaction, Dentsply Sirona is very committed to providing quality with high standard. And we see it on many occasions on the annual report of Dentsply Sirona, mentioning quality. I'm gonna mention some example. We ensure we are providing the highest quality services and products to our customers. Our products are greater in quality than the products already available in the market. Dentsply Sirona's product provide innovation, high quality, and effective solutions. Its core business is to provide dental professionals with the highest quality of products and services. So quality is really a thing for Dentsply Sirona, and a company as big as Dentsply Sirona will surely be focusing on quality, because at the end of the day, quality will lead to customer satisfaction, customer loyalty, which are non-financial measures, and on the long term, they will be at the success of the company. Now, providing high quality or working in high quality standards will surely involve costs that we call quality costs. Nothing comes for free, especially with something as important as quality. Surely cost will be incurred. Now, Dentsply Sirona in its annual report, it doesn't mention any specific quality cost, but knowing Dentsply Sirona and working with Dentsply Sirona, it surely have so much or have a big amount of cost quality incurred. The last point that was also relevant in the chapter are about the increasing sales will automatically leads to increasing profit, which is not the fact in Dentsply Sirona's case, because not because some relevant costs cannot lead to higher profit, even though sales was higher. In fact, Dentsply Sirona had a sale in 2017 of $4 billion versus 3.7 billion in 2017. However, it was 3.7 in 2016, 3.7 billion, and 3.9 billion in 2017. However, Dentsply Sirona marked a net loss of 1.5 billion in 2017, but had an income of $429 million in 2016. So they had a growth in sales in 2017, but it was not translated into a higher profitability because there was relevant costs that caused this net loss. And here mainly they are goodwill impairment, reconstructing, and other costs. Basically, that was it for this presentation. Thank you for taking your time watching my presentation, and I will see you in the next video.